All right, we have a ignition lock that just came in the dashboard. This is customer mailed this in. They said this is a 2009 Ducati 696 Monster. So basically what they want us to do is generate 2 keys from scratch and pre-program the data so the bike can start. So I'm gonna take a couple key blanks, figure out what the cuts are from scratch, cut these keys, and I already have chips in these. So I'm gonna go ahead and program that data into the dashboard cluster so the anti-theft system will allow the bike to start. Now, and that's about it. Yes, the reason why you're having a problem finding people around the country to be able to do this type of work, because it does require special equipment and it does require special software. That's why I guess if you call the dealer, they want to charge you a lot of money because they have to change parts. They don't have that ability to do like what we do. So we'll come back in a little bit and with the keys cut and everything. Alright, we're done with that Ducati. We ready to package everything, get it ready to go back to the customer. Yes, at this point it is plug and play. Keys are now made. Look, I don't know if you can see the cuts. It's a strange, they call it laser cut, whatever, but we did make the keys from scratch. We have 2 keys. Chips are now programmed into the cluster, so the anti-theft system will accept these chips and allow the bike to start. Those of you that don't have your card or don't have the codes and stuff, that's not a big problem with us. You just need to send us the ignition, send us the dashboard. You don't even have to send us keys. As you see, we already have keys. We keep them in stock because we do quite a few of these. But anyway, if you need our help, what's different from us and the dealer, I think they want to charge you all a way lot more, but I think they got to change all the locks, ECU, dashboard, different things, and we don't have to do that. We can go in and do some reprogramming, take the data, the chip data from these keys, directly write it into it, but it's special software, special equipment, so that's why you're not able to find a lot of people around the country that's able to do this. So that's the reason why we're able to do it. We made the investment, we have the equipment, and we have the experience. So if you need our help, just give us a call or go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.